Anyway mga paps, welcome here to another episode of Papa Pat Quick Tips. Simple tips, big difference for your cars. Papa Pat Quick Tips number 4. So yung nakaraan na video natin is about sa two-way bucket method. Alright, so anong next? Yeah. So, the next thing is, papaano ba yung tamang paghagod or pagkuskus sa inyong mga sasakyan kapag kayo ay nagka-car wash. So, this is another tip for you guys. Okay, so kapag kayo ay nagdi-DIY car wash, and syempre pansinin nyo din doon sa mga car wash na proper yung method na ginagawa, yan. Kagaya na lang sa Papa Pat Auto Care Center, what we are doing is kapag ka nagka-car wash, syempre, given yung sinabi ko na nakaraan, yung two-way bucket method. So, kapag naman ihahagod mo na yung mitten mo, ito yung mitten. Yeah. Make sure you have that on your car arsenal. Alright, so ito yung ating mitten. Yan, car wash mitten. So this one is very good for absorbing the car shampoo, and again, this is good din kapag sa pagkuha noong mga stubborn dirt na nakadikit doon sa panel ng inyong mga sasakyan. So we are using this much more rather than doon sa mga sponge. Pero gumagamit din tayo doon kapag kailangan. Pero most commonly is ang ginagamit is yung car wash mitten. Or yun nga, yung mitten. Okay? Car wash mitten. Usually ito ay fabric siya na soft, and hindi siya abrasive, hindi siya nakakagasgas. And make sure to choose the right one for your cars, alright? Sa sasakyan mo. So, what we do, right, is ang pagpupunas ng sasakyan. It should be from top, right, going to the bottom. So, middle, tapos bottom. Yan. Di ba? Why? Kasi kapag nagsimula ka sa baba, makukuha mo lang yung dirt nun. Usually, ang mga sasakyan, the dirt is right under the bottom of the sasakyan. It's right under the bottom of the car, the bottom part. Sa panel ng sasakyan, sa mga doors, or doon sa tinatawag namin mga palikpik or siding. So, usually nandun. So, technically, don't start scrubbing your car from the bottom. Do it on top, and then on the middle, and then on the bottom. And what we do is we detailers have imaginary 60 by 60. Yung tinatawag natin na 60 by 60 na like big tiles. Alright? So focus ka muna doon sa 60 by 60 na yon, and then eventually after that, so you're gonna transfer to another part or to another panel of the car. So you're gonna be transferring to another panel of the car. That's how you usually do the proper washing. Why? You need to do that so that you need to do that technique so wala kang maiiwan na panel. Hey, daddy's recording. So again, you need to do that so wala kang maiiwan na madumi doon sa panel ng iyong sasakyan. Kasi syempre, if you have 60 by 60 as a imaginary line, and then you're scrubbing it, right? Scrub na mild lang I'm just using the term. So, wala kang mamimintisan na dumi. And so, yung technique, paano nga ba? The proper way to do the scrubbing is your movement should be left and right. Left and right movement. Alright? Left and right movement. Ulit. Left and right movement. Why? Why? This movement is, we do this movement so that we can eliminate the hairline scratches na possible or pwede na makuha ng inyong sasakyan when you're doing the old method na wipe in, wipe out. Okay? Sa waxing, pwede yun. Pero when you're doing scrubbing on your car, make sure that you're doing yun nga, left and right motion. Alright? Bahala kang magsimula ka sa right, bahala kang magsimula ka sa left. But do the left and right motion. Alright? Don't ever do the wipe in, wipe out method. Okay? Kasi usually, that method ay yun yung pinanggagalingan ng mga swirl marks. Na kung makikita nyo yung mga paikot na, ay, may heel and scratch na paikot, no? Yan. And syempre, yun nga, yung sinabi ko is, you always start from the top and to the middle. The last thing is on the bottom part. Okay? Last yun. Kasi yun yung pinakamadumi. Okay? So, sa ngayon, yun muna. That's for my quick tips for today. And hope you're still stay tuned for another Papa Pat quick tips sa mga susunod pa nating video. Okay? Maraming salamat. This has been Papa Pat once again. Simple tips, big difference for your car. Papa Pat quick tips.
Bye-bye.
Say hi to Musika.